Have you ever wished you could quickly turn on useful accessibility tool like a magnifier or high contrast font without digging through settings? Here's how to do it. Go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap advanced setting. Next, tap volume up and down buttons. Here you will see a list of accessibility features you can assign to the shortcut. Select the desired accessibility features you want to assign. For example, if you often need to magnify something or use high contrast text, you can choose magnifier and high contrast fonts. Now, to enable or disable a feature, press and hold volume up and down button together for 3 seconds. If you add multiple features, a pop-up will appear. Just select the feature you want. For example, high contrast font to enable or disable it. As a note, you can also enable the shortcut directly from within the features on setting page. So let's say you are reading a product label in a store, but the text is way too small to see clearly. Instead of going into setting to find the magnifier, just press and hold the volume buttons for 3 seconds, and magnifier is ready to use instantly. It's super convenient and save you time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.